shaking right there, girl. You got what I want, so can I get what you shaking right there, girl? You got what I want, so can I get what you shaking right there, girl? You got what I want, so can I get what you shaking right there, girl? Hey, it's pretty, itty bitty thing. Caramel complexion, how you fit in the jeans. Hey, you light up the room when it's dark on the scene. I don't know who you with, so you should be with me. Skip the bullshit, I know you a freak. I can tell by how your ass moves, bending your knees. I can tell you a secret, but you might talk too much. All I wanna do is rub you when you wanna be touched. Let me fix you a drink, relax a little. While we laughing and talking, I give you a tickle. What's the odds of you liking it? You know that you will. You can let your guard down, cause this nigga is real. I can tell you how you like it and how it can feel. Only erotic, exotic positions for a thrill. Let me hit it doggy style, baby, you blushing. Cause that ass is so round like the top of a muffin. Hey, you got what I want, so can I get what you shaking right there, girl? You got what I want, so can I what you shaking right there, girl? You got what I want, so can I get what you shaking right there, girl? Okay, some call it wake and bake, man, I say I'm smoking early. Keeps my eyes off white, yeah, slightly pearly. If you see me on the streets, then you know I'm working. So I can do it all again, starting in the morning. I'm starting in the morning, man, I'm starting in the morning. I'm starting in the morning, man, I'm starting in the morning. So I can do it all again, I'm starting in the morning. I'm starting in the morning, man, I'm starting in the morning. Eyes open, stretch, lift my head up, lean to the side, still some drink in my cup. Grab it, sip it, yeah, still hitting. Couple moves to make, so I slide to the kitchen. Turn the music on, looking for my lucky box. Split a silver cigarello as I slide in my socks. Grab me a nugget quick, break it down to a minimal. Cigarello ready, yeah, you gets the subliminal. Put some fire to it, spark a match, chip the ashes as I'm measuring the product to deliver to the masses. Need a breath in between, sit it down in the ashtray. Navigation on my phone so I can find a fast way. No need for me to be on the road and bullshitting, cause this money for the fam, not no pay no damn ticket. So I'm good, I know where I'm going, how long it takes. A blunt and a half, one way, take 3. Some call it wake and bake, man, I say I'm smoking early. Keep my eyes off white, yeah, slightly pearly. If you see me on the streets, then you know I'm working. So I can do it all again, starting in the morning. I'm starting in the morning, man, I'm starting in the morning. I'm starting in the morning, man, I'm starting in the morning. So I can do it all again, I'm starting in the morning. I'm starting in the morning, man, I'm starting in the morning. I'm one hell of a stoner, I do what I wanna. I'm out here in the corner, smoking in a coma. Say just what I wanna, oops I didn't want ya.
Hey, you wanna get high, man?
I'm one hell of a stoner, I do what I wanna. I'm out here in the corner, smoking in a coma. Say just what I wanna, oops I didn't warn ya.
Never had no dope like that before in my life.
Back on my rap shit, thought I took a break, but I've been cooking up these beats in the studio late. Really wanna talk shit, but it's my internal censor. Popping off at the lips can get you and all your friends hurt. No need for the details. Spin you like a spree wheel, toss you in the sand on the beach like a seashell. I'm on a paper chasing route. Did I ever mention if I ever catch you slipping, guess who's gonna be missing? If it's any other come up, keep me out of it, cause anything I get, I can work hard for it. Stay in the shadows, no one to ever notice me until you catch me rolling weed, testing out the potency, screaming like I'm Jodeci. Well, I can't keep my eyes open all the way, I'm high as hell. If I walk past you, you can recognize the smell. Really wanna stop and give you all the details. I'm one hell of a stoner, I do what I wanna. I'm out here in the corner, smoking in a coma. Say just what I wanna, oops I didn't warn ya.
Hey, you wanna get high, man?
I'm one hell of a stoner, I do what I wanna. I'm out here in the corner, smoking in a coma. Say just what I wanna, oops I didn't warn ya.
Man, that's the heaviest shit I ever smoked, man. I mean, I smoked a lot of shit before, man. But goddamn, man, that's heavy shit. You okay? I can't breathe.
Man, you ain't left yet, bro? Nah, bro. I done left you like 3 messages, man. What time you leaving? I don't know, bro. Nah, man, you gotta get up. Let's go, man. I'm bullshitting. What?
I just wanna get to the party. Everybody's stalling, it's almost last call. I ain't got much time out to be ballin'. I'm not holding the wall up if it's falling. I just wanna get to the party. Everybody's stalling, it's almost last call. I ain't got much time out to be ballin'. I'm not holding the wall up if it's falling. I just wanna pop the bottle and twist the cap. If I'm out past 12, I'm taking a nap. I done put in all the calls to the click. Let's get it. Blunts roll like midgets. Don't let them close the kitchen. Flapping my arms like wings. I want chicken. Both the food and the women. Got a fool's intuition. Outside the club tripping. I can't really wait to get in. Everybody walking in. I done paid the admission. I just wanna get to the party. Everybody's stalling. It's almost last call. I ain't got much time out to be ballin'. I'm not holding the wall up if it's falling. I just wanna get to the party. Everybody's stalling, it's almost last call. I ain't got much time out to be ballin'. I'm not holding the wall up if it's falling. I just wanna
I'm coming up out of the hole, pick it up, get it and go. They say that I'm rapping too slow. I say that I'm macking these hoes. I hold it together like bolts, like lightning striking my soul. Confusion fucking my goals. Like bitch, you already know. You can try and keep me down, ain't no way gon' hold me. Fresh as dry clean, but you ain't never gonna fold me. Hottest water on the planet, bitch, you never scold me. Hard-headed since a kid, I swear somebody should've told me that you's gonna fuck shit up. He shouldn't act so tough. He's gonna fuck around out here and he's just gonna get fucked up. He don't know that the weight on your shoulders is critical. Loss of survival was minimal. Into the mind of a criminal. I'm tired of leaving subliminals. I'm just gonna sit right here, stare in the air and blow out my smoke. Think about life, change up the game. Fuck you, think I'm a joke? Bitch, I'm the man, I make a new plan. Right here where I am. I'm holding these grands, I'm smoking the gram. Shit, I feel like the man. Yeah!
Hey, where's the cream filling? 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 Where's the cream fill? Where's the cream filling? Where's the cream fill? Where's the cream filling? Hey, where's the cream filling? Hey, where's the cream filling?
You got team stelling, you got fiends swelling, you got green chillin', you got dreams appelling. Cash rules everything around me,
hey,
but where's the cream filling? Where's the cream filling? You got team stelling, you got fiends swelling, you got green chillin', you got dreams appelling. Cash rules everything around me,
hey,
but where's the cream filling? Where's the cream filling?
Where's the cream filling? Hoes catching feelings. See a nigga's hustle game. Try to touch a million. Only if she's Sicilian and bronze like a Brazilian. She got a nice catalog, shaped like a chameleon. Cash rules everything around me. That's why these fine ass bras wanna hound me. I got 1+5 in the backseat. They all freaks, plus they all wanna fuck me. That's why a nigga keep his cake up. Mad hoes to make up. Snitches you gotta shake up. Dope make fiends wake up. So if you take a break, bro, you missing out on some paper. Don't think that I'm gonna save you from deeds and misbehaviors. I'm still looking for the cream filling. With a pocket full of dough, yo, I keep it sealed in. It's like a bank vault, you just might get killed in. Hide the evidence, this time the body's sealed in, motherfucker.
You got team stelling, you got fiends swelling, you got green chillin', you got dreams appelling. Cash rules everything around me,
hey,
but where's the cream filling? Where's the cream filling?
If I had diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my wrist, money in the bank, full tank in the whip, driving too fast, blowing no gas, I can have it all, bet I treat her like it's my last. Diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my wrist, money in the bank, full tank in the whip, driving too fast, blowing no gas, I can have it all, bet I treat her like it's my last.
Lane switching, penny pinching, Scrooge McDuck, up on my luck, yo. My hands is clenching my nuts. Stack my money up, ice my wifey up. Priceless lifestyles, yep, let's run it up. Now as the sun rotates and my game grows bigger. How many out here getting bread like this nigga? I was counting up my cheese, cops rolled up, said freeze. Put a gun to my back, let me see some ID. That's exactly what I get for chasing the bread. Keep the world on my back and out of my head. I'm just a stone's throw away from hitting the edge. I just spit a little game, she gave me some leg. Metalhead Destro, hit him with the death stroke. If you with me, let's go. Landed on the west slope, money on the best smoke. I can walk a tightrope, dressed like the Pope from head to toe.
If I had diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my wrist, money in the bank, full tank in the whip, driving too fast, blowing
about you all the fucking time now. I try to tell myself to take a fucking time out. A little piece to myself just to wind down. But why now when I'm telling you your time's out? Yo, I think about you all the fucking time now. I try to tell myself to take a fucking time out. A little piece to myself just to wind down. But why now when I'm telling you your time's out? My mind keeps racing, chasing anticipation. Next time I see you face to face, then all the bullshit comes back like I ain't prepared for it. Then I see the whole stack and I just can't ignore it. Where did some shit go wrong is what I'm asking. You snatched up my feelings, threw them shits in the trash can. Hey, Mr. Trash Man, can I get my shit back? What the fuck was she thinking? That I don't know how to act? So hey, Miss Producer, come on out the booth. Cause I looked into your eyes, plus your body is the truth. I just wanna tell you that I'm drama free. And while you got some time, can you unwind with me? A little more to the story is what my position is. Just ended a relationship, but still got 3 kids. Not sure how you digging me now. I like your style. No, I'm not on the prowl. Shit's upside down. I think about you all the fucking time now. I try to tell myself to take a fucking time out. A little piece to myself just to wind down. But why now when I'm telling you your time's out? Yo, I think about you all the fucking time now. I try to tell myself to take a fucking time out. A little piece to myself just to wind down. But why now when I'm telling you your time's out? Yo. Getting back on my bullshit, and it don't quit, and it don't stop. I got a chip on my shoulder, bruh, big as a boulder, bruh. Wish it would hit, but it won't hop. Got a hit, need a dope drop. Maybe wanna clues bombs on it. Hit Snoop on the gram, need dog on it. Oh, dog on it. Man, nasty, impossible. Working so hard just to make it probable. Feeling unstoppable, no hesitate to pop at you. That's what those cops will do. Me and Diwali demolish fools. Hot box, then box with you. What you thought it'd do? Don't stop at the red light. In the wrong place, but it's the right time to get it. Get it? Ain't no bullshitting. Popping AKs in my B like a noisy cricket. Off in the spot now, so let me slow it down. Red games and the Dutch is out. Plus shrooms on the table all sprinkled out. Splitting shells, I'ma break them down. Give them hell now. Watch me propel and be spellbound. I'm out of this world, it can't be held down. What am I thinking? My motherfucking skin's brown. Ain't that a bitch held down cause my skin's brown? Man, I'm tired of the shit that they put us through. Tired of the bullshit that I put in view. If I had it my way, I'd be comfortable way on top of a hill out of normal view. But that's wishful thinking. Now look at me blinking out when I'm drinking. About why I'm hating these devilish ways. These devils, they ways. Ugh. I took my time making money, more lessons to flex with. My substitute teacher said I was the best kid. He thought I'd like mathematics. I was learning grams to pack packs in. Hitting 3 on them, I'm John Paxson. 2 to 3 runners to run them, that's max action. Red River Street in the back, that's where it's happening. Life would just come at you so fast, I had it mastered. They always sent Chief to go get it, the others matched it. Fair with the friends, in the end, they see the casket. Who you think you playing with, boy? The biggest bastard. On the road with the shit show, I go the fastest. Grass greener on the other side, the owner patched it. Moral of the story is the enormousness of all the shit that we could be in. That's just a reflection, the right path to step in. Bring the alarm for all my people who slept in. All my brothers as weapons.
Inside, I need a pillow fan. Nightly block running rock, running street funks, moving kilograms. I'm been up for 72 hours. My clothes been on for 48 hours. I'm tired.
It's the sequel, mixed with evil. Coming back for another prequel. Somebody should've stopped me, now I'm flying like an eagle. This preview intended to read you. Don't let your mind mislead you. Fool, I open up rap packages, that's one half of it. Grab a bag of the crisp, hit the spot, mac a bitch. Simple little shit, watch it evolve. These problems get solved, no problems at all. I'm off of the wall and off of the pole. I won't stall, I'm all in. Ball to the last one's called. Strapped with arms like I'm ready for war. I'm back in line, it's been some time. We ain't missed a step like it's close encounters of the third kind. When these lyrics combine, it seems to form a wrinkle in time. Man, I'm managed with mine. Niggas want me to slip on my grind. Now you can talk that talk and you can walk that walk. Bring that shit around here and you might get stumped. Don't get no ideas, cause they might be wrong. Man, a penny for your thoughts, be that copper to your dome.
I'm tired. I need a pillow fan. Nightly block, running rock, running street funks, moving kilograms. I've been up for 72 hours. My clothes have been on for 48 hours. I'm tired.
Wanted to do was enjoy life without you. So mix between weed and the brew and what the hell I'm gonna do. These daily things I'm faced with, just down your drink and chase it. Man, I can't finish my task unless one of y'all niggas blaze it. Man, I can't even say shit with all these fucked up habits. Silly as rabbits chasing those kids after those goddamn tricks. Got me so sick when a pistol keeps those niggas at bay. Reach around my waist to see which ones have time to escape. My hands in the air for all of those who really don't want it. Got it, don't flaunt it, get what you want and keep them killers up off it. I got to keep my hand in the pot. Life don't stop, but it'll be the day I die before I see a cell block. With all these certain factors, got money chasing after me and the weed, chasing demons like Keanu and Constantine. Think I'm stopping dream or stay awake for the ring. So don't be surprised when I pop out the big screen.
All I ever wanna do is enjoy life without you. All I ever wanna do is enjoy life without you tonight. All I ever wanna do is enjoy life without you tonight. All I ever wanna do is enjoy life without you tonight.
Man, it's frustrating sitting around watching time wasting while my mind's pacing in and out of zones, feeling all of